well, Matt, you always called me, you talked, you've answered questions since the very beginning. So I think I've felt it's been a 5-star operation the entire time I've dealt with you. Probably on my own, I probably wouldn't have been able to be very successful. Definitely was a major advantage having you help me out. And I've talked to people with other attorneys, and there's a lot of attorneys that basically just treat it as a business deal. You've been very personable, I mean, you've made me feel comfortable in, we even talk about turkey hunting, so it's a very comfortable atmosphere that you have here. You don't dress up fancy you dress very casually. Everything that makes me as a client feel comfortable. I've never hired any other lawyers, to be honest with you. I've talked to a few other lawyers prior, but you wouldn't get calls back, or it's just like they really didn't care. And that's why I really appreciate you kind of took it personally and helped me out through this whole issue. As far as experience with attorneys and the legal system, you always hear that attorneys are kind of sneaky, they play different things and play games. It's like playing a game of chess, who can outshoot who and all that kind of stuff. Only other real experiences, I used to like watching Perry Mason as a kid, And in the very beginning, in meeting you and talking to you on the phone, I could tell you were an extremely honest person and very open. You weren't a person that would hide things, or you've always been out front with me as far as what this is going to cost, what we're going to do here. You'd always ask me, hey Joe, do you want to do this? Do you want to do that? You always had me involved in everything. I would always advise people to come to you, man. Appreciate it. If I ever get in any other situation, of course, no matter what it is, I'd probably call you up just to ask your advice, because you seem like the kind of guy that would direct me in the right direction. Like the ones I talked to before, they never referred to anybody, they never did any follow-up kind of stuff. It seemed like they were all there for themselves. So I actually really liked that guy. I appreciate him referring me to you, because then I had a fair play, because he could have just said, hey, sorry, we're not going to take your case. But I did have a lot of respect for him, because he actually sent me a letter, explained, why and how, and then didn't just leave me hanging. He referred me to you, which worked out awesome.
So do you have anything you want to add?
No, you're always welcome to call me to go turkey hunting, though.
Thank you.